Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a form to your Shopify store, how you can just add your custom form. Go to online store, make sure you are in the theme section here. Now go and click in customize. So in the customize section, it will open up. I will just make sure it is in the PC version. Right, so once I'm here, you can just go it from here by the way. So if you don't find this option of, contact us, so here you will find it here, right? So make sure you click in the contact and here we are. So for example, I want to edit this, my contact form or basically the page and everything. I can change the words here and make sure I can change each and everything, right? I can change it. And by the way, this is how you can do it, right? It's really easy. And this is how you can just add a form to your Shopify store. By the way, let me show you a different way. For example, as you can see here, to edit your themes color, no, this is not the color. For example, if you want to add another page, then let's exit the customize section, right? And here is a pages section, and now here you can just go and click on add page, and here I can just write, so it will be about us, right? And you can just add all the information here. If I just go and show you view page, so this will be how it will look like. I mean, yeah, so let me show you. So let's make it visibility yes in the default page, make sure under the contact section, and let's save it, right? So if I just go back here, it is about us. So let me just go back and edit this stuff here. Okay, so this is how you can just add a page, and I've already shown you how you can customize it up, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.